baby bird right here. There he is.
And there he goes. Try to grab him, Isaac. Okay, guys. What is up?
Oh, be quiet. Mama bird somewhere.
Wait, where's the music on this thing?
We don't have any. Well, that's all. Just gonna get a closer look at that bird.
Move the branch.
No.
I gotta peck y'all. Y'all don't leave me alone.
That was all, guys. I told y'all. Oh, take my gloves. Take them.
Hold on.
Take them. And that's all for right now. Oh, a bird somewhere. I guess he's going to try to hold it. To see how he goes. Don't be scared of it, Caleb. Pick him up.
I'm only petting him.
Pick him up. Pick him up.
No, I'm only petting him.
Why won't you pick him up? Okay. She'll find her. Left. What?
I'm putting my finger out. Okay, I'm gonna grab him.
Hey,
Get the camera ready. Hey, baby bird. Hey, baby.
good baby. Just pick him up. If he tries to pick you, it won't hurt. You got the gloves. So get him. Faster before the cat finds him. Get him before the cat finds him. Oh, I could have sworn I just saw Mama bird. Stop, Caleb. Pick him up. Just pick him up.
Got the glove.
Here, this here.
This is a life lesson for all you baby birds out there. This is what happens when you get a bird under a truck. Damn. This is like alligator catching, right?
No.
Yeah, because... Wait.
Baby, go.
No.
Baby, no.
Someone call 911. And
Let him go right there. Don't let him go. Let him. Can't leave him. Leave him for Mama bird. Leave him for Mama bird.
And guys, that's all we have for today, and we hope you see you next time on Birds.